This is Frankie McDonald, my own team station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Massive snowstorm is headed towards New Mexico on Friday, December 28, 2018. It's going to bring up around 6 inches of snow or more. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be really strong in the state of New Mexico, especially in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and Santa Fe, New Mexico. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be really strong. That's going to cause blowing, drifted snow, reduced visibilities, dangerous and treacherous driving conditions. Streets, roads, highways, the interstate highways will be snow covered. A major snowstorm also hit El Paso, Texas as well, and parts of Arizona and Utah. It's going to bring a lot of snow in the state of New Mexico, especially in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and Santa Fe, New Mexico, and surrounding areas as well. It's going to bring a ton of snow. Winds are going to be really strong. Once the storm is over, temperatures will turn extremely cold in New Mexico's well below minus 10 degrees Celsius in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and the surrounding areas as well. That's very well below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. People in New Mexico, be prepared. Have winter boots ready, winter jackets ready, hats, gloves, scarves, ski pants ready. Order pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Make sure you have your Samsung Galaxy charge, Samsung Galaxy smartphone charge, Samsung Galaxy tablet charge, smartphone, cell phones, laptops, tablet charge, and every 3G, 4G internet ready. When you drive the car, take your time, drive the car, slow down, so don't get in car accidents. When you go for a walk, be very careful walking so you don't slip or fall. Make sure if your furnace is ready, turn on your furnace to keep those warm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea, keep you warm. Have for extra blankets ready to keep you warm as well. Make sure if your shovel, snow scoop, snow blower, snow plows, salt trucks ready as well. If everybody lives in New Mexico, be prepared for a massive snowstorm on Friday, December 28, 2018. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a massive snowstorm. Stay warm, be safe.